This is how everything started in my life with the adventure bikes. And for today's trip, we're going from the Kaunas to my loved camping on the beautiful lake in the Rokiškis, and way back. This is about a 500-kilometer trip. Let's go. Yeah, hello everyone, and I searched my videos and between the Christmas and New Year, and found some videos from 2020 where I had my first ADV bike adventure motorcycle, and yeah, that was BMW 1200 and air cooled, yeah, with a little bit oil cooler, small one, but in general it was air cooled 2006 or 2007 year of manufacturing, so it was old one, and yeah, 100,000 kilometers on odometer. Yeah, it was a amazing bike, pretty cool bike. Had a cool sound, and it was, yeah, badass looking bike also. It has some ADV adventure type of tires and the wheels and fuel tank. It was real one BMW GS adventure motorcycle. So it has 30 liters of fuel tank. This windshield, big one. The previous owner, the owner was German guy, so it was full package of invoices and maintenance papers and something like that, you know. This was all in one package, and you can follow it from A to Z, all modifications and oil changes, tire changes, everything. So I liked that much, and that's why I bought. Otherwise I didn't bought it with the 100,000 kilometers on the odometer. No, just like this, you know, that you know all history from this bike, and you can trust really good service intervals. So that was pretty cool bike. Heavy like hell, you know. One main thing that was always problem with the fuel measurement, this gauge. I have changed one and then cleaned one, and yeah, it was every time you didn't know exactly it shows correct fuel or not. And second problem, it was ABS. Yeah, I had one big crash about 90 kilometers per hour on the tarmac. So after that I sold that bike and yeah, bought this Yamaha Tenere crashed one. But to change the ABS is yeah, very expensive, because you need to buy a new one, because when you buy used one, then you don't know when it will not work again. So you should buy a new one, and new one costs about 1,500 euros, no? And this motorcycle I bought for 6,000 euros. So this makes no sense. The other guys, they make some delete kit, and it runs okay with without ABS, but I don't know, in this long and big trips, you know, I don't like to go without ABS. So with this type of bike, I don't know, for me it's too dangerous. So it was pretty cool bike. I like that much. It was, yeah, with the, like I said, with a lot of features, extras that this German guy bought and installed on the bike. So it has everything from Touratech, and also electronic adjustable suspension. Heated handles, Remus exhaust, this big one adventure windshield, and so on and so on and so on. So it was cool bike. Sounds also good. This type of BMWs, they are pretty cool. So, and don't need any sum of maintenance. Just I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers. You need to add some oil to the engine, and that's it. So I like to show you some cool footage that I filmed with my BMW, and enjoy it. And I think that's it. When you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and give some thumbs up, and yeah, share with the friends, share with the community, so we can build some pretty cool adventure bike lovers community, and yeah, connect with each other and have a lot of fun. So ride safe and ciao.